We need to light something like this acetylene torch. There is nothing more effective and efficient than using a Stryker or a spark lighter like this one. It's simple and it does the job extremely well. It is, of course, until it doesn't. When one of these guys stops making its spark, it's almost always for the same reason. And that reason very typically is the flint, which is the part right here, gets worn down to the nub and it can no longer work against the file part, which is here, and therefore you get no spark. When that flint goes bad, wears down, when your flint spark Stryker, like this Tech Team number 834, the solution is very simple, and that's Tech Team's number 832 replacement flints for your spark Stryker. The set consists of 10 flint refills. Since these refills are rather small and would be easy to misplace or lose, they're packed in these handy little magazine type things, so you can take them out one by one and use them as you need them. Just a little bit of pressure right here, and that guy pops right out, and now it's ready to use. Since we want this to be a neat, clean presentation, we're going to use a brand new Stryker. The first step is to access the flint, and to do that, what we do is we unspring the handle, and now the flint is easy for us to get at. If you take a close look at the hole that flint is in, you'll see that it's knurled, which means that you can access it and grip it with your fingers, and you should be able to turn it right off just like this. If it's on there tight from a long period of use and or anything that's got in there, then you can use a pair of pliers. This is pretty much your standard everyday spark Stryker, and it uses the flint refills that just about every other flint spark Stryker made by any other company uses. You take the time to point this out so that you can measure your Stryker so that you end up getting exactly the correct flints. Now, to put the flint on, the process is rather simple. You just put the female end of the fitting over the male threaded end and turn it clockwise, just like that. Reset the Stryker, and bingo, you're done.